The salesperson proactively reached out to the client to discuss cooperation, carefully addressing every question raised. Impressed by our reliability, the client requested a factory tour. Upon arrival, we meticulously introduced every part of the facility. After the tour, the client was highly satisfied and even joined us for a meal. The salesperson followed up daily afterward, and we successfully signed the cooperation agreement. During the partnership, an issue arose with the client's product drawings. We immediately addressed and revised them. The client praised our excellent service and sense of responsibility, stating they would definitely partner with us again in the future.